Hi everyone, it's Guy here and welcome to our channel. In today's video, you're going to hear about one of the most talked projects in the world, Polygon, and also you're going to learn about the Matic Token and how you are as a developer will be able to build a scalable, user-friendly dApp with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. So make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Polygon? So Polygon is actually a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. One advantage for Polygon is actually Polygon believes in Web3 for all. And if you don't know what is Web3, you will be able to watch in our channel multiple videos that talks about projects that related to Web3. On this website, you will be able to actually find the multiple solutions that Polygon actually provides, and also you will be able to see the different roles of the different developers with the efficiency of Polygon that actually solves the high gas fees. Now, in their website that you can get by clicking the link down below, you will be able to see the multiple solutions that actually Polygon provides and actually the problems that it answers and helps to solve. And also you will be able to see the different roles of the developers in here, and actually you can click in here and start building, and you will be able to see in this cross-platform and powerful design system. Now, one of the solutions that actually Polygon provides is actually Polygon Edge. It's a modular, extensible framework for building private or public Ethereum compatible blockchain networks, which is great because if you want to use the advantages of Ethereum but to actually avoid high fees and not to settle on low security, so Polygon is a great opportunity for a lot of you, not only private businesses but also public. Now also they have the Polygon Zero, which is actually a high scalable Ethereum compatible ZK rollup. It uses an incredibly fast recursive proof system that is Ethereum friendly, which means that you don't need to transfer your business if you're actually using Ethereum. Now about their sustainability. So a smart contract with planet Earth. So going carbon negative in 2022 and climate positive beyond that. It's actually the Green Manifesto. You can see in here the carbon footprint comparison, the different organization, for example, Microsoft, over 10 million, and you can see also PayPal on 2020, and you can see Polygon, and you can see Delia, and you can see the big difference of actually going carbon negative in 2022, the positive effects that it will bring to our planet. You can see, for example, that Polygon pledges $20 million to carbon footprint, meaning offset carbon footprints for Polygon, and buy extra credits to become carbon negative. About their resources, so they provide resources for ecosystem partners who want to offset their carbon footprint as well, and also donations. They make donations easy for NGOs and fight climate change, which is incredible. So if you want to actually invest in a project that it's not only very, very high quality and very smart, as you can actually read also on their different blogs in here, and you can learn in their community as well, you can actually also invest in a project that is green and actually planning to support our climate. Another great concept in this project is actually their dApps. So if you will click on their dApps, you will be able to see that they have a lot of POS dApps. For example, the POS wallet, the POS bridge, the POS staking, which is actually, by the way, if you don't know, staking means that you can actually put money and make passive income just by putting your money there, exactly like that. It will just increase in value in multiple percentage. Sometimes it's in 1% and 2%, and sometimes it can be in tens and even hundreds of percentage every single year. So make sure that you will be able to learn exactly in which projects you will invest, and you will do staking, and you can actually learn more in other videos in our channel. And also you can see here on the Harvest dApps that actually the Harvest wallet is also in here, and also the Harvest Explorer. And when you will click in here, so you will be able to see that it's actually opened, and then you will be able to see different batches, and you can see the transaction of this coordinator, and you can see that there is one transaction for this coordinator, and you can actually see the address in here. It was more than a day ago, and you can see also the timing here, and that way you will be able to actually stay on point on what is actually going on in here. And as you can see that the network status right now is operational. Every project that you will actually click in here, so you will be able to click and open, and then you will be able to see that you can actually log in with one of your wallets. I think that the easiest one to actually get started is or MetaMask, or actually to use the Wallet Connect, and then it will be able to do that from your phone, and you don't have to do that from your computer, which is very comfortable because you can do it from anywhere around the world. About their communities, so a great place that you can actually learn more about this project is actually to go to their Twitter. And when you will click on their Twitter, you will be able to see that they have more than 1.5 million followers, and they have a very engaging community. And some of their posts, you can see that they have hundreds of engagements and even more. And some of their projects, you can see that they have hundreds of engagements and even more. And it's not their only community, like you can actually go to their other communities and to learn much more. As you saw in their Twitter, actually you can see the Matic token that they talked about. Now, what is actually Matic token? So Matic is actually the native token of Polygon, and it is used to govern and secure the network by staking, meaning that it's the currency of Polygon apps that enables users to interact with hundreds of dApps that involves in their ecosystem. So their gas token is actually lifeblood of Polygon chains, meaning that when you conduct any transaction or use a Polygon application, you will pay a small fee in Matic to use the Polygon chains. And this fee is an incentive for miners to process and verify that you are trying to do, because if you don't verify the transaction, so it's not secure. And that's why they employs the proof of stake mechanism, actually uses staked Matic tokens to reach consensus of the network. And by staking Matic, you can secure the Polygon network and earn rewards. And in this system, the threat of losing your Matic disincentivized attacks. Okay, because you don't want, because you're doing something wrong, to lose your money. Of course, you want to actually earn rewards, and you can do that, as you said, passively as a miner. Now, about the governance. So Matic token holders actually enjoy special privilege on the protocol, and the token can actually be used for network participation via governance voting on Polygon improvement proposal, meaning that you are part of a community and you have a say and you have a part, meaning that it's not that there is just one person that controls everything, but it's part of a community. And when you have part of this, and not just you, but think about it in a broader perspective, that there are multiple people that knows that they can have a say and they can actually vote and take part on different decisions of projects. So it's actually pushing them to invest and to believe in this project even more, meaning to invest even more money and to talk about it with others, because it's something that they take part of. And it's not only financial, but it's also mentally, because you feel a part of a community. About their Matic price statistics. So as you can see, 24 hours trading volume is over $300 million. The number of unique users is over 127 million. And the circulating supply is over 6 billion Matic. And the total volume that is staked is over $2 billion, as you can see, and the market cap is over $4 billion. So as you can see, is a very big project. And you can see that it's not a small project that thinking maybe for the short term, but they're thinking for the long term. Now, where you can buy and sell Matic, you can sell and buy in a lot of places. Of course, in the big places like Binance, like Coinbase, like Crypto, like FTX, and much more. And also on the decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap, like SushiSwap, Uniswap, and much more. And also direct deposits or withdrawal to Polygon in those sites. In those sites like OKX and OKCoin, and you literally just need to click it. You will get to the website. When you get to OKX.com, you can actually just click on buy crypto and then search the specific token that you're searching. So in this particular situation, we're searching Matic, which is actually Polygon. So you're just clicking here and then you search Matic. Okay, and then you can see in here MATIC Polygon, and then after you sign up, you can actually start trading or purchasing or selling, and this is mainly it. Now, one of their very interesting scalable solutions is actually the Polygon Evo development. And when you click solution and then click in here, so you'll be able to get in here and actually read much more about it. And you can actually learn that is an Ethereum scaling solution that is a scalable data availability that is focused on the blockchain, and a core component of the modular blockchain movement coming in the near future, targeted towards off-chain scaling solutions and standalone chains. So the modular blockchain paradigm, Evo, aims to facilitate a complete change in how we approach design of blockchain systems. And Evo actually enables modular chain design where various executions environment can use Evo for data ordering. With the combination of those, you can actually scale very easily. And Evo is actually agnostic to the execution layer, which can be the standalone chain or off-chain scaling solutions that use Evo. And the application hosted on these execution layers enjoyed the full security of Evo, which is great because when you have the peace of mind and the security part, you can actually direct your attention on the other things that you have to focus on. And that way you can have peace of mind and the security part, give your full attention to the other things that you know that you have to focus in order to improve your business in the best way possible, and also scale it with less problems and more solution in your mind. So for summary, if you're interested in Polygon, which is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security, and you want to learn more about this project, make sure to head over to their website, actually to ask their questions. You can do it also on their social media, and also to actually go to their blog and actually to read more in details about different parts in their journey, in their growth periods, and also to stay notified about their news. Thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.